Hello, this is Kevin Heiser with IT Martini, and I'm here in Cincinnati for IT Martini Hour 16 with both Maria and Mark from Expedata. Hello, how are you guys doing?
Very good. Thanks, Kevin. Thanks for having us.
Thanks for having us.
Well, tonight at IT Martini Hour 16, you guys are going to be demoing and showing what you do. Why don't you tell us a little bit about Expedata and what it is that you do?
Well, with Expedata, we have an enterprise digital writing platform where we take handwritten information written on a piece of paper with a pen, a digital pen. That information is sent through a mobile device, hence mobile technology, and on the server, that a digital duplicate of that form is created, and the handwritten information is converted to text or data, so that data can then be integrated with any downstream system. So we provide the entire digital writing platform, from managing creating the forms that will accept the digital pen, the digital writing, the mobile technology on the mobile device, as well as the handwriting interpretation that's done on the server, and then a complete software developer kit so that you can, like I said, take that data and integrate it with the downstream system.
Good afternoon, everybody.
Excellent. So since it's pen-based, it sounds like it might solve some of the challenges with having to have a pad. So somebody could actually use a paper form, use the pen, and then automatically, of course, with a little bit of programming on the back end, plug right into that form in a digital form. Is that the idea?
Well, it automatically creates a digital image of that form. Yes, that is what happens. However, I failed to mention that we also have an iPad solution where we've already created an electronic form that's rendered on the iPad. So you can either have the form printed out on paper or on the iPad. Again, capture information, mobile information, remote information, and it hits the same back-end system and then can be integrated, like we said, with the enterprise platform. So we really focus on the enterprise space. We've been working with Safe Light Autoglass is one of the larger implementations, where we've got 5,000 technicians using digital pen. They're using it at this point for confirmation of service, where they capture the customer's signature. The technician hands the receipt with that signature to the customer and walks away with no paperwork. And that signature is already in their invoicing system, so that the process can be completed centrally and the service technician has no paperwork in the process.
Excellent. It sounds like it's incredibly efficient. You don't have as many problems with maybe lost paperwork, and for large enterprises that are worried about sustainability, it sounds like it helps lead to some of those sustainability objectives that a lot of organizations have. So what are you going to be showing us this evening as people come by your table to look at a demo?
Well, we're going to show them the digital pen and the digital forms, and we're also going to show them our same enterprise platform on an iPad, on a tablet. So now we have the best of both worlds. So yes, you're right. It does do a lot for different vertical industries. Take field service, for instance. You use the digital pen and the paper, and as soon as you send that information from the pen that he's gathered on the form to the back-end server, then they can start their billing process. So the billing cycles are shortened dramatically. Now, there's some environments where a pen and paper are perfect because we all know how to use a pen and paper. It's natural for us, right? And then there's some environments, like maybe the financial industry, that maybe a tablet's better for, like in the retail banking space, for home lending, doing loans, and etc. So both in that industry could use both the digital pen and paper as well as the tablet. So now we have, again, as I say, the best of both worlds.
Excellent. And tonight we've got about 600 people that are going to be arriving. They're starting to show up now. And there's a lot of great demo organizations. There's at least 9 of you guys here tonight. What is the one thing you want all 600 people to remember, and why are all 600 going to vote for you guys?
Well, we take information and we make it digital, and we do it very quickly, so action can be taken on the data. And I think in the mobile environment, that's what it's all about. How can I be more productive, and how's it going to affect my bottom line?
Yes, we optimize the workflow process for capturing data and for your mobile workforce, and we do that for large enterprises.
Excellent. Well, I definitely wish you guys the best of luck tonight, and I appreciate you taking a few minutes out of your night to talk to me a little bit and tell us a little bit about what you do. Thank you very much.
All right.